When it comes to precise and effortless fish preparation, having the right tool makes all the difference. The best rated fish fillet knife ensures clean cuts, superior flexibility, and durability, making every fillet effortless and professional. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. HOSHANHO 7-inch fish fillet knife. The HOSHANHO 7-inch fish fillet knife is crafted for both professional chefs and home cooks seeking precision and durability in one tool. Made from premium high-carbon Japanese stainless steel 10CR15 cobalt movie, this fillet knife stands out for its exceptional sharpness and long-lasting edge retention. The blade, hand-polished at a 15-degree angle per side, offers razor-sharp precision for effortless slicing, boning, trimming, skinning, and butterflying of fish and meat. Its 7-inch slender blade glides smoothly through delicate flesh while easily navigating around bones, reducing waste and ensuring beautifully clean cuts every time. The ergonomic pocketwood handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, minimizing hand fatigue during extended use, and is highly resistant to corrosion and abrasion. Beyond fish, this versatile knife handles other types of meat with ease, making it a multifunctional kitchen essential. The frosted texture of the handle adds a distinctive aesthetic, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. Number 2. Dalstrong Fish Fillet Knife. The Dalstrong 7-inch fish fillet knife from the Gladiator Series Elite is a top-tier choice for anyone who values precision and durability in the kitchen. Built from high-carbon German steel, the blade maintains a razor-sharp edge and remarkable flexibility, ideal for effortlessly filleting, deboning, and trimming fish and meat. The knife's sleek design is complemented by a black G10 handle, which offers a secure, ergonomic grip for comfortable, controlled use. Dalstrong's dedication to quality ensures that this knife is not just a tool, but a long-lasting investment, suitable for creating heirloom-quality kitchen experiences. Its flexibility allows for smooth, precise cuts, making it perfect for delicate fish fillets or intricate meat preparation. The knife comes with 2 protective sheaths, ensuring safe storage while maintaining the edge. NSF certification guarantees professional-grade performance and safety standards. Combining aesthetic appeal, advanced engineering, and functional excellence, the Dalstrong 7-inch fish fillet knife is ideal for serious home chefs and professionals alike, offering unmatched control. Number 3. HOSHANHO Fish Fillet Knife. The HOSHANHO Land Fish Fillet Knife combines advanced sharpening technology with premium high-carbon stainless steel to deliver a professional-grade filleting experience. The 7-inch blade is honed at a 12-degree angle, achieving a razor-sharp edge that allows for precise and effortless slicing, deboning, trimming, skinning, and butterflying of fish and other meats. The narrow, flexible blade enhances control, ensuring minimal waste and perfectly cut fillets every time. Designed for efficiency, this knife is ideal for busy kitchens where precision and speed are essential. The premium steel provides excellent corrosion and wear resistance, retaining sharpness even after repeated use. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged tasks. The land knife also carries a unique cultural touch, inspired by an ancient mythical bird in China, symbolizing beauty, nobility, and good fortune, making it more than just a kitchen tool. Number 4. The Victorinox Fibrox Fish Fillet Knife is a trusted tool for chefs and home cooks seeking precision and comfort in the kitchen. Featuring a curved, flexible stainless steel blade, this knife is ideal for delicate filleting tasks, effortlessly removing fish or meat from bones while maintaining the integrity of the flesh. The patented Fibrox handle is ergonomically designed, slip-resistant, and textured for optimal balance and control even during extended periods of use. This professional-grade knife is NSF approved, meeting strict standards for hygiene and safety, making it suitable for busy kitchens and everyday use. Crafted in Switzerland since 1884, the Victorinox Fibrox combines a legacy of expert craftsmanship with modern functional design, ensuring long-lasting performance. Its flexibility and sharpness allow for smooth, precise cuts, reducing waste and making filleting easier and more efficient. Lightweight yet durable, this knife accommodates various cutting techniques while minimizing hand fatigue. Designed for professionals who demand quality and reliability, the Victorinox Fibrox fish fillet knife delivers exceptional precision, comfort, and durability. Number 5. Cutluxe Boning Fish Fillet Knife. The Cutluxe Boning Fish Fillet Knife is engineered for precision, comfort, and durability, making it a must-have in any kitchen. Its flexible, high-carbon German steel blade is tapered to a razor-sharp edge, allowing for effortless filleting, deboning, trimming, skinning, and butterflying of fish and other meats. Hand sharpened at 14 to 16 degrees per side, the blade ensures maximum sharpness and edge retention, providing precise cuts every time. The full tang design and triple-riveted pack-away handle deliver stability, comfort, and a secure grip, allowing for extended use without fatigue. Laminated and polished for hygiene, the handle is resistant to corrosion and easy to maintain, making it suitable for busy kitchens. Engineered with 56+ Rockwell hardness, the premium steel resists rust and stains while ensuring long-lasting performance. The knife's balance and flexibility make it ideal for delicate fish filleting, precise trimming, and versatile meat preparation. Combining high-quality materials, expert craftsmanship, and ergonomic design, the Cutluxe Boning Fish Fillet Knife offers professional performance in a home kitchen setting. It is an excellent choice for chefs seeking accuracy, durability, and comfort in one stylish and reliable tool. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.